Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create and send PDF document from Google Sheets using PDFMonkey. So here I am organizing a lot of webinars, and now what I want is that I want to send the certificate of participation to all the participants who has attended my webinar. So here what I want is that as I'm going to add all the detail of my participant in my Google Sheet, then automatically by using all the detail of that participant, I want to generate and create new certificate by using PDFMonkey, and after creating that certificate, I want to send that via email to my participant. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Google Sheets, PDFMonkey and Gmail. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new detail of participant added in my Google Sheet, then automatically I'm going to create a PDF document of my certificate by using PDFMonkey, and I'm going to send that as an email via Gmail. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create and send PDF document from Google Sheet using PDFMonkey. So in the fast-paced business world, efficiency and accuracy are key, and especially when dealing with document generation and distribution. So manually creating and sending documents can be time consuming and prone to errors. Now by automating this process, ensure that I save my valuable time and maintain consistency. In this video, we will explore how to integrate Google Sheets with PDFMonkey to automatically create and send PDF documents, enhancing my workflow and productivity. So imagine I run a training company that frequently holds workshops and courses. So after each session, I need to send out certificates of completion to my participants. Now manually generating these certificates from Google Sheet data, formatting them correctly and ensuring they reach the right recipient can be overwhelming and error prone. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to automate this process using PDFMonkey, and I can save my valuable time, ensure accuracy, maintain consistency and streamline distribution. So here what is going to happen is that in my Google Sheet, I will have all the data of all the participants that I have for my webinar, and as I'm going to keep adding the detail of my participant, then automatically a PDF document of that certificate for that participant will be created, and automatically that will be sent to that participant via Gmail. So this automation is beneficial for businesses that need to generate and distribute various types of documents such as invoices, reports, certificates and contracts. And regularly, it simplifies the workflow, allowing you to focus on more critical tasks while ensuring all document-related processes are handled efficiently and accurately. So in this video, I will demonstrate how to set up this automation using Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to show you the steps to create and send PDF documents directly from Google Sheet using PDFMonkey. So here for this automation, I have set up my Google Sheet and I have created this template in PDFMonkey. So here I have set up this simple template because I'm using free account of PDFMonkey, and in the free account, I does not have a lot of option for customization. But if you are using PDFMonkey and you have a pro account, then you can customize your documents according to you, and you can create any customized document that you want. So here I've created this document template, and now what I need to do is I need to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create and send PDF document from Google Sheets using PDFMonkey. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of Google Sheets, so I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on Create. And this will take us to this window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Google Sheet. So I need to search for my trigger application. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And here in our workflow, we can only set up one trigger step and multiple action steps. Now what I need to do is I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. A new or updated spreadsheet row will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I will take you to my Google Sheet. And here I'm going to use this particular Google Sheet of workshops participants. Now in this, I have all these columns like the name of participant, email, completion date, phone number, and course attended. So here I am going to add all the detail of my participant that is going to attend my webinar. And now what I need to do is I need to connect this particular sheet with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I need to go to extensions and I need this particular extension of Pabbly Connect webhooks. So if we don't have this extension, then what we need to do is we need to go to add-ons. We need to click on get add-ons and it will take us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we need to search for our extension and that is going to be Pabbly Connect webhooks. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to open that and we will see our extension here. So we need to install this particular extension and I have already installed this. So I'm going to close this, and after installing our extension, what we need to do is we need to first refresh our sheet, and after refreshing the sheet, we need to go back to extensions and we will see our extension here in this tab. Now I need to go to my extension and I need to open initial setup. Now by using initial setup, I'm going to connect this particular sheet with Pabbly Connect. Now here I'm going to connect sheet 1, that is my only sheet in this particular spreadsheet, and I'm going to connect this with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I need to first give a webhook URL, and in this tab of webhook URL, I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here, and now I need to give my trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here in my spreadsheet, I have this last data entry column, that is column E, and I want that as the data will be filled in this particular column, then automatically the data of that whole row should be sent to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to type my trigger column here and that is going to be column E. And now what I need to do is I need to click on send test. And here I have successfully sent my test data. So I have sent the data of this first row as a test data and I have sent that to Pabbly Connect. Now I need to click on submit and my setup is configured successfully. So I'm going to close this. And now here I want one more thing, that as I will add new rows with the detail of my participant, I want that data to be sent automatically or immediately to Pabbly Connect. So for that, what I need to do is I need to go to extensions, I need to go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and I need to enable this option of send on event. So after enabling this option is going to make sure that as I'm going to add new rows with the detail of the participant in my Google Sheet, then automatically and immediately that data of that row will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have my trigger column, that is column E. I have my spreadsheet name, that is workshops participants. Also here I have the name of my participant, that is demo user. I have the phone number, I have the email address, that is demo@pabblytudes.com. I have the name of the course that he has attended, that is web development. I have the completion date. So here I have received all these detail of my participant and I have received this detail from my Google Sheet. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these detail and I need to automatically generate a PDF document of the certificate that I want to send for the participation in my webinar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use PDFMonkey and I'm going to use PDFMonkey to generate the certificate for this participant. And after generating that certificate, I'm going to send that to my participant by using Gmail. So for generating the certificate, I need to set up my actions tab. And here my action application is going to be PDFMonkey. So I'm going to search for that. and I need to select PDFMonkey here. Now I need to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to use this action event of generate document. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect PDFMonkey with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect. I need to click on add new connection, and if you already have an existing connection, then you can select that too. I'm going to click on add new connection, and now for connecting PDFMonkey with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So how I'm going to get this token? For that, I need to first log into my PDFMonkey account, and I need to go to my account where I will find my API authentication. So I need to take you to my account of PDFMonkey. I will go back, and here I will go to my profile, and I'm going to open my account. Now here in my account settings, I need to scroll down, and here I have this option of API authentication, and in this I have this API secret key. So this is my token, and now what I need to do is I need to copy this token and I need to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on show my API key. I'm going to copy this key. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of token. Now I need to click on save, and I have connected PDFMonkey with Pabbly Connect. Now for generating a new PDF document, what I need to do is I need to give my template ID. So for that template ID, I need to first take you to PDFMonkey. I will go to templates, and here in templates, I'm going to use this template of certificates. So I'm going to open this, and here this is my template ID. So I'm going to first copy this template ID, and by using this template ID, I'm going to create certification of completion for my participant. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste my template ID here. Now what I need is, I need the dynamic data or the JSON payload. So for getting the dynamic data, what I need to do is, I need to take you back to my PDFMonkey account, and here I will go to test data. So here this is going to be my dynamic data, and in this dynamic data, what I want is that as I'm going to receive the detail of a participant from my Google Sheet, then automatically I want all this data to get replaced with all the new data that I'm going to receive from Google Sheet. And every time as I receive a new data from Google Sheet with my participant detail, then all these details that I'm going to use as a dynamic data should change in my certificate, and I'm going to create new certificates for new participants. So here I'm going to first copy all this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to first paste that here in this tab. Now here, this is still not the dynamic data. So for making this as my dynamic data, what I need to do is, I need to first clear all these values. And now what I need to do is, I need to map the detail of the participant that I'm going to receive from my Google Sheet. So by mapping those details, I'm going to make this data dynamic, and as I'm going to receive new Google Sheet responses, then automatically all the responses are going to get replaced with the new data in the real time. So mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to open this response of Google Sheets, and here I need to first map the recipient name. So in the recipient name, I'm going to map the name of my participant. Similarly, I have to give the course name, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of Google Sheets, and here this is my course name, that is web development. So I'm going to map this, and I'm going to give the completion date. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to again open this response of Google Sheets, and here this is my completion date. So I'm going to map this, and here I have filled all my dynamic data. Now what I need to do is, I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and in this response I have the status of generating. So this means that it has started generating my document, and within a minute or few minutes, I'm going to get my document that I have generated by using PDFMonkey. So here I have this preview URL. So by using this preview URL, I can see the document that I've created, and I can also check that in my PDFMonkey account. So to check whether I've created a new document by using all the detail of my participant from Google Sheet, I need to take you to PDFMonkey, and here I will go to Documents. And here in Documents, we can see I have just created this new document. So here for creating this document, I have used the template of certificates. So I'm going to open this document, and here this is my document of certificate, and here I have the name of my participant, that is demo user, course name is web development, and my completion date is 30th of June 2024. So here I have generated this new document and I have created a certificate for my participant who has attended my webinar, and I have the detail of that participant in my Google Sheet. So by using my Google Sheet details, I have created this certificate by using PDFMonkey. And now what I need to do is I need to send this PDF document back to my participant via Gmail. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now first, for getting this document download URL, what I need to do is I need to first add one more action step. And here in my action application, I'm going to use delay. So I'm going to select delay here. And I'm going to select my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and add time delay will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect delay by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect. And now why I'm going to delay my workflow? Because for generating the document, it is going to take time of few minutes. And after taking few minutes, it is going to complete generating document. So within few minutes, I'm going to receive my document from PDFMonkey, and I can use an action event of find document to get the download URL of my document. So here I need to delay this for a minute or two. So for taking the safer side, I'm going to delay it for 2 minutes. So here I've given my delay value as 2 and my delay unit is 2 minutes. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here I've successfully delayed my workflow for 2 minutes. Now what I need to do is I need to get the download URL of my document, and by using that download URL, I want to send that PDF document to my participant via Gmail. So for that, I need to add one more action step. And here in my action application, again I'm going to use PDFMonkey. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I need to use this action event of find document. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect PDFMonkey with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect. And I have already built this connection between PDFMonkey and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this existing connection. And I need to click on save. Now I need to give the document ID. So when I created a document in PDFMonkey, so in the response, it has generated a document ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that document ID and I'm going to map that here in this tab. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of PDFMonkey generate document. And here in the response, I have this document ID. So I'm going to map this. And now I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all these details of my document, like the recipient name, that is demo user, course name, that is web development, completion date, that is 30th of June 2024, and I have the document status, that is success. So with this status, it confirms that my document is successfully generated. And also in this, I have this download URL. So this is the download URL of my document. And by using this URL, I'm going to send my document back to my participant via Gmail. So for sending this document, what I need to do is I need to add one more action step. And here my action application is going to be Gmail. So I'm going to search for that and I need to select Gmail here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send email v1 will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Gmail with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Gmail. Now here I need to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here and I have successfully connected Gmail with Pabbly Connect. Now first I need to give a recipient email address, and here I'm going to use the email address of my participant that I'm going to receive from my Google Sheet. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets. And here this is the email address. So I'm going to map this. Now here I need to give a sender name. So I'm going to give the sender name of my company, that is going to be Pabbly. And you can give any sender name that you want to use. Now I need to give the email subject, and here my email subject will be certification of participation. So this is going to be my email subject. And now what I need to do is I need to first select my email content type. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select this option of HTML. And now I need to create my email content in HTML type. So I'm going to write my email content in HTML type. And if you don't know how to create HTML content, then what you can do is you can click on this hyperlink and you can watch the video of how you can create HTML content for your email. And now I'm going to give my email content. So here this is going to be my email content, and now here after dear what I need to do is I need to map the name of my participant. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets, and here I'm going to map the name of my participant. So I'm going to map this. Now similarly I have to clear this bracket, and here I need to give the name of my webinar. So I'm going to open this response of Google Sheets, and here this is the name of my course that my participant has attended. So I'm going to map this. Also I have to give the downloaded URL link of my certificate that I have generated by using PDFMonkey. And here in this double quotation, I need to click here and I'm going to map my download URL. So I'm going to open this response of PDFMonkey find document. And here is my document download URL. So I'm going to map this. And here I have completed my email content. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent the email automatically to my participant with the certificate that I've created by using PDFMonkey. So I'm going to take you back to my Gmail account. So here in my Gmail account, I'm on send section and I have sent this email to demo user. So I'm going to open this, and here this is my email that says, Dear demo user, I hope this email finds you well. We are pleased to inform you that your certificate of participation in web development webinar is ready. Please find your certificate attached to this email by clicking here. So here I have created this hyperlink, and by clicking here on this hyperlink, I can open my certificate that I've created by using PDFMonkey. So I'm going to click here, and here I have downloaded this certificate. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see that this was my certificate that I've created for my participant that is named as demo user. And this is the course that he has attended, which is web development, and this is the completion date, that is 30th of June 2024. So I'm going to close this, and here we can see that via Gmail I have automatically sent this certificate back to my participant that has attended my webinar. And now here I have successfully created this automation between Google Sheet, PDFMonkey and Gmail. And now as I'm going to add the detail of a new participant in my Google Sheet, then automatically I'm going to generate a certificate or a PDF document for that participant by using PDFMonkey, and I'm going to send that automatically to my participant via Gmail. So to check this in real time, what I need to do is I need to go to Google Sheet, and here I need to add the detail of my participant. So here the name of my participant will be test user, email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random completion date. So my date will be 28th of June 2024. I'm going to give a random phone number, and now I need to give the course attended. So here my course will be digital marketing, and here I have filled all these details. Now what should happen is that automatically by using all these details of my participant, a new document of certificate should be created by using PDFMonkey, and automatically that document should be sent back to my participant via Gmail. Now to check this, let me take you to Gmail. I will go back to my send section, and here we can see I have sent this email to test user. So I'm going to open this, and here I have sent this email to test user, and I have sent the certification of participation. So here I'm going to open my document that I've created for this particular participant. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink. So here we can see that I have automatically created this new certificate for the participant that is named as test user, and the course that he has attended was digital marketing, and also here we have the completion date, that is 28th of June 2024. So here we can see that my connection and this automation between Google Sheet, PDFMonkey and Gmail is working successfully, and as I'm going to add the detail of a new participant in my Google Sheet, then automatically I'm creating a new certificate of participation by using PDFMonkey, and I'm sending that certificate automatically to my participant by using Gmail. So let me take you back to Gmail, and here we can see that automatically I've created and sent this document of certificate back to my participant by using this automation between Google Sheet, PDFMonkey and Gmail. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have created this automation and this connection between Google Sheet, PDFMonkey and Gmail to automatically create and send PDF document from Google Sheets using PDFMonkey. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Sheets, and my trigger event was new or updated spreadsheet row. Then I have set up my actions tab, and first I have used PDFMonkey as my action application, and I've generated a document by using this action event. Then I have set up an action step of delay by Pabbly, and I have added the time delay so that I can get the document download URL. And for getting that document download URL, I have used PDFMonkey as my action application again. And here my action event was find document. And in the last, I have used Gmail to send the email with my document. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.